IOTA 2030 is an innovative and highly functional material in the chemical industry. As a linear organofunctional polysiloxane, it owes its unique properties to the terminal primary hydroxyl groups. In the coating sector, it serves as a crucial modifier for solar-based anti-graffiti coatings. It endows surfaces with excellent resistance to marker pen scribbles, allowing stains to be easily wiped away and even providing an additional peelable effect. Although its solubility in aromatic hydrocarbons is limited, it can be diluted with esters, ketones, and alcohols to blend smoothly into the coating system. When it comes to polymer synthesis, IOTA 2030 plays a significant role. It actively participates in the creation of silicone polyurethane, polyester block polymers, enhancing the temperature resistance and wear resistance of the final products. This means materials can withstand high temperatures without deformation and endure long-term wear and tear. In industrial manufacturing, particularly in silicone, rubber, and polyurethane production, IOTA 2030 shines as a reliable release and parting agent. With an appropriate addition amount of 3 to 20%, it ensures smooth demoldings and a flawless surface finish. Moreover, it can substitute a portion of polyols at a ratio of 3% to 30% to optimize the polymer formulation and improve processing characteristics. Available in 25 kilograms plastic barrels and 200 kilograms iron barrels, it caters to different production needs, making it a preferred choice for various industries.